Need to send someone a phone number or full contact card quickly? With iOS 26, sharing contact details on your iPhone is super simple, and you can even choose what specific info to include. Here's how to do it step by step. Start by opening the Contacts app on your iPhone. Find and tap on the contact you'd like to share. Once you're in their contact details screen, scroll down and tap Share Contact. You'll now see a list of the contact's available details, like their first name, last name, phone number, email, and more. By default, everything is selected. If you want to share just one or two details, simply tap to deselect the ones you don't want to include. For example, you could share only the mobile number without the email address. When you're done selecting, tap the big check mark in the blue circle at the top right of the screen. Now you'll see a list of sharing options appear. To send it through AirDrop, tap AirDrop, then choose a nearby Apple device and follow the prompts. To send it via Messages, tap Messages, enter the recipient's name or number, add an optional message, then tap Send. You can also share it through Mail. Just tap Mail, enter the recipient's email address, and hit Send. Want to save the contact details for later? Scroll through the Share options and tap New Quick Note to add the details directly to your Notes app. Type any extra info or context, then tap Save. To store the contact in the Files app, tap Save to Files. Choose your destination folder, or tap the three-dot icon in the top right to create a new folder. Name it, open it, then tap the checkmark to confirm and save the file there. And that's it. Whether you're sharing contact info with a coworker, friend, or saving it for yourself, iOS 26 makes the whole process smooth and customizable. If this tip helped you, give the video a like and subscribe for more iPhone tricks you'll actually use. Thanks for watching.